Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Usman Khan and today I am going to walk through and go through about my professional services. I am a multi-cloud trainer, multi-cloud consultant, a 10x AWS certified, a 10x Alibaba Cloud certified, Alibaba Cloud official trainer, 4-time most valuable Alibaba Cloud professional and a Alibaba Cloud partner as well. I am a Microsoft certified trainer, 2x Google Cloud certified and a VMware certified. Cisco certified, Juniper certified, and a certified wireless network administrator. I'm a certified ethical hacker and a ITIL V3 certified. My services is not only related with the trainings, but also beyond the trainings like consultancy, staffing, managed services, cloud audit, infrastructure designing, and the migration services. My cloud services is not limit, but a cloud migrations, infrastructure deep dive, infrastructure analysis, DevOps support like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, and Ansible. And not more than that, I am a VMware cloud certified as well, so that I can migrate the whole infrastructure from one VMware to another VMware on Alibaba Cloud, AWS Cloud, and a Google Cloud. I'm a certified trainer so that I can teach you on all 4 clouds in different language like in Urdu and in English as well. Also, I have a predefined and a pre-launch videos available so that you can avail those videos as a self-learning. If you are looking a consultant who can help you in any of your upcoming or a running project, if you are stuck somewhere, or you want to deploy a desktop based infrastructure as well, my services is for you. So you can start your professional services, you can train yourself, or you can sell my services to your client using Upwork. Thank you.